Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Introducing Ring Smart Lighting, a range of motion-activated outdoor lights to suit any home. Intelligent lighting that's easy to install and simple to use. Connected lights that talk to one another. Motion-activated and there when you need them.
Alexa, turn on the backyard lights.
Ring Smart Lights create a ring of convenience, control, and security. Whether you're home or away, Ring Smart Lights work with Ring cameras to notify you whenever motion is detected. Manage all your devices and monitor your home through the Ring app.
Honey, what's Grant doing outside?
So you always know what's going on.
What are you doing out here, huh?
Ring, always home.
Bloom Sky is a personal weather station that collects real-time, hyper-local, and visual weather data in your neighborhood and connects you to these data through a mobile app. With Bloom Sky, you become part of a crowdsourced weather network. Here's how it works. By sharing weather data from your Bloom Sky through the cloud, you become the weather reporter for your neighborhood. Together, all Bloom Sky weather stations form one of the world's most hyper-local weather networks, providing accurate weather information that benefits everyone. The outdoor station has a camera that takes a picture of the sky every few minutes. It has a 170-degree ultra-wide lens with a vertically adjustable shooting angle. The outdoor station is also packed with sensors that constantly measure the temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure, and ultraviolet sun exposure, along with a rain sensor. After extensive prototyping, we built Bloom Sky to work under a wide range of harsh weather conditions. The outdoor station's double-layer solar radiation shielding ensures optimum performance even in the hottest and sunniest day. The outdoor rain sensor has a revolutionary design, unprecedented in any existing personal weather station. It has 205 contact points and a perfectly angled surface designed to detect precipitation without mistakes. Bloom Sky stays operational even in extreme temperatures, ranging from -22 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The outdoor station keeps on going for 20 days on a single battery charge, and is highly water and dust resistant. So instead of relying on traditional weather reports, you can get the most accurate weather data and see photographic snapshots of real-time conditions at specific locations that have a Bloom Sky setup. We all have people and places that matter to us in our lives. The Bloom Sky app will keep an eye on these places for you and let you know if there's anything happening that needs your attention. It can let you know when it rains at your loved one's office. Every day, the sky tells a different story, and we've made Bloom Sky its narrator. The app combines all the daily images taken by your Bloom Sky outdoor station to create a spectacular time-lapse video. You can share the beautiful sunset with your family and friends. We at Bloom Sky are truly excited to build the next generation of hyper-local weather network. Together, we can improve the way weather data improves our lives. The weather where you live is what matters most.